Hi, this is Xiaochuan. This video is to introduce my final project to you. First, thank you Professor and TAs for your help throughout the semester. My project is a meeting room online reservation system. Now, first, how to import it and run it. You want to unzip it to your local file folder and import it into Eclipse. File, open projects from file system. Now, after that, we better check the build path library and to see if the SQLite JDBC is missing. If it is missing, please link it to your local file. It's the same with the lecture 12. So this one is not missing because this is my local file. After that, we want to open source default package and find managers and server. And this one is a SQLite JDBC. So what does these two do? The SQLite JDBC file, if you run it, it will create a local DB file and create a new table reservation with all these rows. With all these columns. Now I have already got this database file in my system, so there's no need to run this file. And so we want to boot from this manager and server.java, run it as an application. So we run it, and this will create one server and two applications for users. So it's done. Now we have two applications and one server. This server is a window for manager, for the manager of the company, and these two for users, they are for users of staff. Now let's take a look at this one. On the top you can see connect, exit, and there are some buttons here. It says fresh and connect. We don't need to connect because is already connected automatically. Now we can only reserve tomorrow's rooms. So now the current time here is 18th, so we can check out rooms availability on 19th. We can switch room here and view the availability here. Now this line of coordinates here are hours, and these two, they are half an hours. The first one is the first half hour, and the second one is the second half an hour. For example, this one is 10 to 10:30, and this one is 10:30 to 10:59. Blue means it's available, and gray means it's not available. Now the second part is where you can fill in your information and choose a time slot and make your own reservation. For example, we want to maybe room 2 and see the availability on room 2. Now we can see that the first half hour of 11 o'clock is available, and second is available too. So let's say we want to reserve the first half an hour of that, or maybe just the whole 11 o'clock, the 1 hour. So this is 1 hour. Fill in our name. And you can fill any format in the name and department. I'm a student. Telephone number is 10-digit, and email, we must fill in the email in the right format. For example, the email, if we do it wrong, it will tell you the wrong format. So maybe This is my email. And submit. Pay attention to the other user's availability panel and the server's panel. It will update in real time. So if I click submit, oh, wrong email. Oh, it's wrong email. Submit. My reservation is successful, and this is occupied. This is occupied. This is occupied as well. Now, if I want to reserve some time slot that is already occupied, it will tell me that it's not successful. I will use the same time slot and information. Unsuccessful. 11 o'clock was taken by others. Let's say I want to take this one. It's a 15. It's the first half an hour of 15 o'clock. So 15. Unsuccessful. This was taken by others. Okay. So this is what this client panel does. And let's check the manager and server panel. The same as users, managers can use this panel to view availability real time, and no need to click refresh because it's refreshed in real time. And in this panel, we can see that we can choose to see the informations of every existing reservations. We can go to room 1's reservations and go to the first one of them. You can see that the ID of the first reservation is 1. So next is 2. And the information are made by me. And we can see there is a scroll pane down there. And the scroll pane will show the incoming reservation information of this system. For example, the first reservation we made is from this time to this time. And this is my information and tells me the information, the reservation is successful. This is what I saw in my panel. This one is unsuccessful, which is the same with our second reservation. And down here, if I want to view all the reservations of a certain room, I can use this button, show this room's all. And for example, room 1's reservations, show this room's all. Yeah, here, down there. It says print all reservation for room 1. Here, ID, room, time, this information, name, department, telephone number, email. It's all here. So there are 5 reservations already there for room 1. Let's try it for room 2. Show this room's all. There are 3 reservations for room 2. And the IDs, they are generated automatically using the time sequence of different reservations. So the IDs, they might not be in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is also another function to save this room's data to TXT. It's actually the same with show this room's all, and it will generate a TXT data holding all the data that we just pulled out from the database and put it in the TXT, which is in the source folder of the project. Let's try it. Oh, it tells us reservations for room 2 on this day is already done. So let's check the folder in the System Explorer. Show in System Explorer. Yeah, it's here. So the first one is room 1, and the second one, oh, this one was generated by me before this video. So the second one is here. Let's try it to generate a new one for room 1 because there are new information. Okay, now we can see that this timestamp is good. Oh, my system runs on China time, so it's actually December 17th in American time. Sorry. Let's open it. See, this is our what did we reserve? Oh, we reserved on room 2, not room 1. Sorry. Okay, let's go on. And after all, you can delete all database files. You can just it works like you can create a new database file and create a new table, which overrides the old one. So the result is the same as wiping all the data of the database. But do not click this one. Or if you want to try, you can do that. Okay, let's try maybe. So we can see that they're all here, the reservations. So if we click this one, these will all disappear and turn blue. Let's try 3, 2, 1. Database reset done, deleted all reservations successfully. They're all gone, all of them. So the system was wiped clean. Don't worry, I'll put a new data in for you to test. So this is the brief introduction of my project. Should there be any problem or any bug, please do not hesitate to contact me. And thank you for all your help. Thank you so much. And this is it. Bye.